Okay.
Yeah. It is quite bright out here.
Why they're even out here, out of these woods like this, is they love to eat this salt marsh grass, the cord grass. And this grass, guys, is just as salty as the water is. Over the years, they have adapted the ability to eat that, and they've actually acquired a taste for it, and they love to come down here and eat the salt grass. As to how they got here, one legend says that the colonists that lived in Chincoteague at the time put them over here to avoid the livestock tax. What I believe, the Spanish galleon was flying up the coast. Have something that you can get a little bit closer, come down closer way. It said that the houses, for the most part, were one-room houses with no windows, and hook his horse up to his cart and ride him way down there. I'm going to show you a little bit. A place called Tom's Cove, a lot of oysters, and have an oyster breakfast, then come back and open his store. Well, he ate so many oysters, they killed him at 105.
What are they? What kind of birds are they?
They're bucklehead.
Bucklehead?
Yeah, the nickname is Dipper. They also dive under. In this case, I think they're going to jump up and fly. There they go.
Okay.
Yeah, bucklehead.
Yeah.
There they go. All right. Swimming real pony swim. I think the first time we might have just been practicing. Anyway,
Yeah.
and the fire company gives each stallion that has mares a name. The name of this stallion that swam across here with these two mares, Surfer Dude.
Surfer Dude.
I saw a t-shirt that said Surfer Dude on it.
Yep, Surfer Dude. They've written books.
Pack your bags and leave this town. I don't wanna see you coming round. No, I don't wanna waste my precious time again. With the Star Trek sticker on your Cadillac, I don't wanna see you coming back. No, I don't wanna see your gloomy face again. Waiting takes more time than letting go. Sitting at a stop sign, wasting time, when I'd rather be speeding on the 99. This relationship just won't shift out of neutral. You say that you will be ready soon, but I'm